So, you want to make money online? But you don't want to show your face? We have you covered with faceless videos. Spoiler alert, I'm not real. Stay till the end, I will show you how I did it. Step 1, you will need to select a niche. Head over to ChatGPT and sign up. Select ChatGPT 3.5 at the top. The free version will do. Type in this prompt. There we go, many niches to select from. I like the travel niche, let's use that. Step 2, let's choose a topic within that niche. How about Machu Picchu, Peru? Let's use that. Step 3, let's validate our idea. Head over to YouTube. Start typing the keyword. You can niche down by being more specific. Here we go, many sites on the topic. Now check my favorite plugin, vidIQ, link in the description. We see this has a decent score, above 50 is good. More importantly, see the amount of traffic and competition. There is a good amount of average subscribers. Copy the link to one of the larger sites. Head over to socialblade.com. Paste in that link. Boom, this channel is doing well, 11K a month. These numbers can vary and may be low. Step 4, let's build a script. Back to ChatGPT. Paste in this prompt. There is our script, boy this is easy. Copy it. Step 5, let's create our video. Head over to pictory.ai, link in the description. Select the option on the left, script to video. Paste in your script. Clean it up a bit, removing the salutation. Add a title. Looks good. Hit the proceed button. Select a style and format. This will take a few minutes. Time for humans to take a bio break. Just kidding, haha. There we go. We can view each scene. Let's remove that colon. We can make changes as we want. Perhaps we want to change this video. Easy. Now, let's add a voiceover. Let's try Ava. Hit the preview button. In no time, we can view our video.
Welcome to the mystical land of Peru, where ancient history and breathtaking landscapes await you. Your journey to Machu Picchu promises to be an unforgettable adventure.
Step 6, let's edit the video. A very popular editor today is CapCut. We will show you the basics. Upload your new travel video to the media center in the upper left-hand corner. From there, you can move your mouse over the video to preview it quickly. Now, click the plus sign to add the video to your timeline below. Hit play to see the video.
Welcome to the mystical land of Peru, where ancient history and breathtaking landscapes.
Right-click and select Extract Audio. This will separate the audio from the video if you want to change it. We will hit mute for now, while editing. We can zoom in on the track here. Now, right-click and select Split Scene. This will use AI to break up the long video into scenes. Okay, now we can adjust the sound. Perhaps we want to add an audio track of adventurous music. If we want to add text captions, we can do that here. We can edit the text, use Shift Space to add a space. Let's preview that text on our timeline viewer. We can now apply effects to the video. We can preview an effect by hovering over it. Click plus to add it to the timeline and play button to preview it. Let's add some transitions between the scenes. Notice, some are pro level and cost money. Let's pick this free one. We can then select the transition on the timeline and hit apply to all. Let's preview it. Nice. Now, let's export the video. Hit export. Step 7, let's build an avatar. Okay, since you have been kind enough to stick around to this point. As promised, I will take you back to my place and show you how I did it. Head over to heygen.com, link in the description. Here you can create headless videos in 3 easy steps, as shown. Go ahead and sign in. On the home page, you can upload your own photo and generate a talking avatar. You can also use one of many templates provided. There are also many avatars for you to select from. Let's get started from a template. This one looks good for our travel video.
Discover affordable furniture and home furnishing inspiration for all sizes of wallets and home.
Let's modify it for our purposes. We will change the avatar. This one looks good. Let's add our script and test it.
Have you ever wanted to travel to Machu Picchu?
You can change the voice as you see fit.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Let's use this one. You can apply this voice to all the lines.
Have you ever wanted to travel to Machu Picchu?
Notice the lips will not move until you submit it for processing. Let's do that now. After a moment, we can preview it.
Have you ever wanted to travel to Machu Picchu? We have you covered in this video.
Now, for the next steps. Drop me a comment below if you would like to see more of this content or any other topics. Your comments help YouTube to push my videos to others like you, and I would really appreciate it. Be sure to hit subscribe and notify buttons. I have many upcoming videos to explore making money online with headless videos. You won't want to miss them. That's all for now, bye bye.